Most people believe transformation comes from massive change. But the truth is, it begins with the smallest daily habits. Today, I'll share how I tied together simple rituals, like brushing my teeth, showering, and even while commuting, and discovered one powerful affirmation that rewired my entire mindset. And it can do the same for you. I wasn't always disciplined. I used to start habits, then quit. One week I was reading, another week I tried journaling, another week meditation. Each habit worked, but nothing stuck. Then I realized, what if instead of chasing perfect habits, I built one ritual that fit into my life naturally, something I could repeat anywhere, anytime. That's when I found affirmations. At first it felt awkward, but slowly I noticed how powerful a single sentence could be. I wasn't just saying words. I was programming my mind. Just like brushing your teeth keeps your smile clean, affirmations keep your mindset strong. So here's how I tied affirmations into my life. While brushing my teeth, I'd repeat them silently. During the shower, I'd let the words wash over me like water. On my commute, instead of scrolling endlessly, I'd whisper them. Just waking up, I'd set the tone of my day with one sentence. Before bed, I'd let it be the last thought in my mind. It wasn't about finding time. It was about using the time I already had. And here's the one affirmation I want you to repeat with me now. Day by day, in every way, I am getting more and more healthy, wealthy, prosperous, intelligent, lovable, and successful. Say it with me, slowly. Day by day, in every way, I'm getting more and more healthy, wealthy, prosperous, intelligent, lovable, and successful. This single affirmation became my anchor, and repeating it daily became the habit that changed everything. Here's how you use it. Repeat once in the morning, once before bed. Say it during everyday activities, brushing teeth, showering, commuting. Write it once a day in a notebook. Whisper it before important meetings or challenges. Soon you'll notice your thoughts, your words, and your actions aligning with it. That's when life begins to shift. Transformation doesn't come from intensity. It comes from consistency. 1 minute a day can rewire your entire mind. If this resonated, I invite you to go deeper. Check out my 30-day affirmation challenge ebook in the description below. Inside, you'll find a guided journey that covers health, wealth, confidence, love, and abundance. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Remember, day by day, in every way, you are becoming healthier, wealthier, more intelligent, lovable, and successful. And that's all it takes. And that's all it takes.